Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $200 every single day from the comfort of your home by doing simple online work. This is nothing to do with product launch, creating your own product, creating your own content. This is doing some simple work. So if you have any kind of you're professional in certain topics, you can share your topics. You could share your professional with the company, and the company is going to pay you very good amount of money. Now before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my video for the first time on my YouTube channel, then make sure you click the subscribe button. There should be a button below this page, or anyway it says subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new money making video. If you have questions, leave a comment for me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated, and don't forget to share this video with the people you care. So let's dive into this video. First of all, you can see a screen here. This is one program, one system that I have generated $115,000 in commissions. Now if you want to learn how I made this type of money with this one system, then check out the links in the description box below this video, or you could go to this website address here that you're seeing here right on the screen. All right, just go to this website address, and when you go to this website address, you're going to come to a page just like this. Okay, you're going to come to a page just like this. You need to click on this button here. You need to enter your real email address here, and I'm going to send you the info straight into your inbox about this one program that's taking the internet by storm, and that's allowed me to generate over $115,000 in commissions from the comfort of my home. If you're interested in ClickBank and you want to learn more about ClickBank, that I do have a ClickBank course from A to Z. You could check it out on Udemy by typing my name in the bar, and my course will come up, and you could buy this course. It comes with a free 30-day money back guarantee. So for any reason, if you don't like the course, you just believe it's a waste of time, which I believe should not happen because it's a very good course, then you could get your money back, no question asked. So let's dive into this video. Simple online work. You can share your expertise and start getting paid very good and replace your 9 to 5 job, which means no more boss and no more hustle. Okay, so the first website that you can go where you can get paid by doing simple online work is called usertesting.com. Now like I said, whenever you come to a website just like this, just make sure that you play around, you click on these links, get familiar with the website, see what they have to offer, read the content, read the articles, and see if this is a good fit for you. So in this case, you might want to come to products and services, and you can see here that they have like 20-30 links down here that's giving you all the information about this website. And basically what this website is, that you just get paid to test. Okay, so you can see, run a free test, see what our customers experience, get a video of real person reviewing your website. Okay, user zoom, services, user testing, platform overview. Okay, you could do so many stuff with this website. If you just scroll down, you will see that the top brands powering over 3,000 of the world's top brands. If I scroll down more, it gives me more information about what this is all about and how you can participate in this website and start getting paid. And once you start making some good amount of money, you can quit your 9 to 5 job and do this full time. Now there's not only one website, there are like hundreds of websites on the internet where you can apply and you can share your expertise. Okay, if I scroll down, you could see it's got a very good review as well. I highly recommend you check out Trustpilot, because Trustpilot is the most viewed website when it comes to reviews, and you might want to check it out to see what people have to say about this website. Now if I scroll down more, and it's giving me even more information. Okay, so you can just come here, check this website out, apply by coming here, start here, and then you can start doing the work, start testing websites, and start getting paid. Okay, The second website, which is very, very popular, you're probably familiar with this website, and I've been talking about this in some of our videos in the past as well, is called Fiverr.com. All right. Now, when Fiverr launched, they launched with a $5 services. So every service, every product, anything you want to hire on Fiverr was costing like $5. But then they changed the entire layout, and they have gone on to from $5 to like hundreds of dollars for products. So certain services could cost you up to $100, even $150. So it's a complete different website now. It's not like Fiverr.com, so everything is just for $5. No, it's not like that anymore. Now you can come here and you can either hire someone to do a service for you. It could be creating a video, it could be design, website design, it could be writing an email, it could be so many things. But at the same time, if you're professional in a certain topic, you know how to write articles, you know how to create videos, you know how to edit videos, you know how to create thumbnail images, Facebook thumbnail images, YouTube thumbnail images, Instagram and social media thumbnail images, you can come here and create a professional gig, and you could offer this service to other people and start getting paid, and you could do this full time. Okay. And like I said, there are so many websites just like Fiverr that are offering these type of services to other people and getting paid. And a couple of years ago, even I generated over $10,000 offering a service on this website, Fiverr. So you can come here as well, and you can start offering us certain services. So I'm just going to give you certain couple of examples here. So I'm going to go to website design, and I'm going to see, let's see what they have to offer about website design. So if I scroll down here, you can see, look at this guy. I will design a responsive website in 10 hours. Okay. He's he's got a 5-star review. All right. And he's got over 1,000 orders. He's charging £75. Now this is reflecting because of my country. So if you're coming from United States, it will reflect in US dollars. I'm coming from UK, so it's reflecting in pound. So you could see here he's charging £75. If I just click on this, okay, I could see that he's got 43 orders in queue. Oh my word, check this out. This guy's killing it. This guy is like making so much money. Check this out. 2,580 orders so far, right? 43 orders in queue. The basic package is £74. Standard package is £331.50. Premium package is £497. Okay, now it gives you more information about this person, where he's from. It gives you the reviews about this person too. Okay, if you scroll down, it gives you all the details on what he has to offer, and this guy is making a lot of money doing this. I guess it's probably his full-time job. So he probably built a skill on web design, and now he's offering this service on this platform. Okay, so you could come here, you could see the guys coming from Pakistan. Average response time is 1 hour. December 2015 he joined, he became a member. All right, and if you scroll down more, let's see, look at some reviews. So you can see the 5-star reviews, 2,503. He's got a very, very good review. And this person, I just want to say thank you for assisting me. You're okay. So it's got some good reviews down here, you can see. So there you go, just give you one example, and there are so many. So graphic and design, program and tech, digital marketing. If you just scroll over your mouse, you can see everything just opens up: business website, e-commerce, dropshipping website, WordPress, Shopify, AI chatbot, AI application, etc, etc. If you just come to digital marketing, you could see there's so many stuff: search engine optimization and affiliate marketing. If you come to video animation, so there are so many things that you can come here offer. And you feel like if you have expertise in like 3-4 topics, you could come here, create a gig and become a full-time worker from the comfort of your home and start making thousands of dollars every single month. Okay, so this is how you can quit your 9 to 5 job by doing this. Okay, now if you want to learn how I promoted, okay, if how I promoted someone else's product and generated $115,000 in commissions, then click the links in the description box below this video, or head over to this website address here that you're seeing on the screen. And once you go to this website address, you're going to come to a page just like this. Okay, just come here, click on this orange button, enter your real email address, and I am going to send all the info straight into your inbox. Okay,